Hello everyone. Let's check out a chatter filter Odoo app. It improves a chatter by adding and filters like all incoming emails, mentioned users and date wise, making it easier to find and focus on the messages you need. After installing this module, let's get into the settings. Under user and where you can see a list of users, let's get into the Mitchell admin where you can see an option to enable and chatter message filter. So once we have enabled this, it will enable and chatter filter in each and every model that you have, and also if you installed a new one, it will be in their specific models too. So for example, let's get into the help desk. Let's get into the all tickets. So from here we can get into and one which we have created before. So for example, just I'm adding a new log note like whether it is updated or not. So we are adding an log note as any update on this. Okay, so after adding in log node, let's log it. So where you can see on the top, you can see the all. So it will list out all the logs. And if you click on the user, we can see an chatter based on the user wise. And if you click on that, we can make change. We can change the user. So this will be based on an the followers which we have. Okay, and in this we can have a date wise. So we can make a date wise filters too. Now, if you click on the all, it will list out all the records. So, for example, if I change the filter to tomorrow, so you can see there is a no chatter for all too. Okay, if I click on the all, it will be showing all the logs which we have. So this will be same for all the models too. So you can see the same in all the models. Okay, so this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.